Hello everyone. The course which we are going to do today is systems of the human body and their functions. The systems of the human body I'm talking about here is of course the organ systems of the human body. As we all know, there are altogether 11 organ systems in the human body, and from the course we are going to do chapter 1 from unit 1, which is levels of organization in the human body. So let's get started. Levels of organization in the human body. As we all know, human beings are the most evolved creatures on earth, and they are very complex. What we see as one body, okay, what we see as one organism, it's very complex from inside, okay. So it is made of cells, okay, many cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, and all of them, they work in synchronization with one another to maintain homeostasis. Now you must be wondering, what is she talking about? What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is like, even if the outward conditions are not good, still inward conditions should be good so that we can stay alive. For example, during summers we sweat like anything, right? This is to bring down the temperature of the body. This is just to maintain homeostasis. Now, see, why do we need to study levels of organizations in the human body? We are already aware what organs are, what tissues are, what cells are, right? But why we need to understand it? We need to understand it so that we can understand how they work in synchronization with one another, how they are different, how they work together. Okay, how there is a polymorphism and division of labor in the body, right? So what we are going to do today, we are going to do the levels of organization in the human body from smallest to largest. But before we move to that, let me ask you certain questions. Like you might have heard the name teeth. You know what teeth are, right? They have to do something with digestion, right? Stomach, even stomach is a digestive organ. Tongue, okay, these are the names of organs, right? They fit into the category organs. Now, in order to digest food, what do we need to do? We cut it through our teeth, we tear it through our teeth, right? And we chew it too, and then it moves to the next level, which is esophagus, right? So now, what does teeth do for us? Teeth, when it comes to the role of teeth in digestion, it's like it has mechanical role to play. For your information, you know it already, but for your information, I would like to tell you that digestion of food starts in mouth, right? Now, teeth has mechanical role to play in digestion. That is, we have 4 types of teeth. That is canine, incisors, premolars, and molars, right? 32 teeth altogether. In adults, right? So teeth, they cut the food, they grind the food, they tear the food, and in mouth itself you are going to get saliva, which has got an enzyme, salivary amylase, right, which is supplied by salivary glands. It is going to it has got salivary amylase, and it has chemical role. That is, it gets mixed with starch and it converts it into maltose, right? So we should swallow the food in order to digest it. Suppose if teeth is not there, right, would food be able to reach to the stomach or a small intestine for further digestion? No, it can never do that. So that's why, here I'm trying to explain it to you that every organ has their own role to play, and very specific role to play in a particular organ system. So this is teeth. Okay, we already know. Tongue is also there, and tongue has got taste buds too, right? So through taste buds, we get to know the taste of the food. Now when it comes to this teeth, okay, I told you that we have 4 types of teeth, right? Incisors, okay, incisors cut the food. Canine, they tear the food. And if you see canine in meat eating animals, it's very like chisel shaped, okay. And premolars and molars, they grind the food. And if number of teeth is considered, like milk teeth, they are just 20, and the human dental formula, it's like 2 1 2 3 2, okay, it would be like 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars, and 3 molars, right, into 2. So we are going to have 16 teeth in upper jaw and 16 teeth in lower jaw. So it makes the total of like 32 teeth in total in us. And 2120 is the formula, dental formula of small kids, that is milk teeth. They don't have what? Can you imagine? They have incisors, they have canine, they have premolars, but they don't have molars. That's why, it's like 2120, because they don't have molars. So thank you so much. We are going to continue with this in our upcoming sessions.